The fifth generation of the Japanese model Honda Odyssey has redefined the minivan market with a seamless blend of luxury, practicality, and advanced technological features. With this generation, Honda has taken a decisive step in its evolution. It has moved on from the previous Odyssey's low, sporty wagon design to a purpose-built minivan packed with family-friendly features. Overview. The fifth-generation Odyssey went on sale in Japan in November 2013 with a fresh design that drew heavily on Honda's Concept M, which debuted at the Shanghai Motor Show earlier that year. Featured here is the G Aero Package, which is turned up a notch with 17-inch alloy wheels and an exclusive premium paint option in Venus Black Pearl. This package further strengthens the aerodynamics and adds exclusive sporty styling, appealing to those who want a more dynamic aesthetic. For the first time, Honda has fitted the Odyssey with double sliding doors, a major step forward in practicality while giving it a clean, streamlined aesthetic. The sliding door guide? It's cleverly hidden in the shade of the streamlined bodywork, showcasing Honda's talent for combining form and function. At the front, it's all about bold design, a chrome grille, sharp LED headlights with cornering lights. A striking, sporty front bumper combines with aerodynamic lines to bring a touch of class to the family car veneer. Updates in 2017 and 2020 have further elevated the look, adding adaptive LED headlights and refining the overall front styling for a sleeker, more contemporary edge that reflects customer expectations. The rear is massive yet elegant, with a flair of luxury and elegance. But Odyssey is not just about style. It is about creating an interior that makes the most of every available centimetre of space. Interior. Inside, the Odyssey excels at creating a calm and refined experience. Honda prioritized quietness, using advanced insulation materials and soundproofing techniques to minimize road and engine noise. The cabin layout offers seating for up to 7, as shown here, or as many as 8 with the center row featuring different seating layout. Odyssey's body has been designed to increase headroom without adding height. Instead of cramming in extra space, Honda focuses on creating a real sense of spaciousness that every passenger can feel. Higher trim levels, as shown here, featured second-row Ottoman seats for ultimate comfort. On top, these seats included adjustable reclining sliding seats, transforming the minivan into a first-class lounge. Third-row seats featured Honda's Magic Seat system, which folds effortlessly into the floor for versatile cargo configurations. Premium materials such as leather upholstery and soft touch accents combined with wood textures add an elegant touch. Ambient lighting enhances the relaxed atmosphere for nighttime cruising. Tri-zone automatic climate control complete with ion air cleaning function is another highlight, allowing the driver, front passenger and rear passenger to set individual temperature zones for personal comfort. 8-way electrically adjustable front seats, dual power sliding doors, keyless entry, clear instrument cluster, and all advanced refinements to make driving pleasant and not demanding on the driver. Reversing camera, 360 bird-eye view system, or even assisted automated parking systems were available depending on the trim. Rear and luggage capacity. The square-shaped boot makes smart use of every centimetre. Even with the third-row seats in use, there is still room to carry. Stowing the third-row seats is a snap, while the low opening edge makes it easy to load and unload heavy items without the effort of lifting. Price at BE Forward. Similar Japanese model Honda Odyssey you can buy at BE Forward. The Japanese 5th generation model 2013 onwards starts from $2,550 US. Please check current prices and stock on the BE Forward website. Engine and chassis. For the 5th generation of Japanese Odyssey, Honda revamped the rear suspension, replacing the double wishbone setup with a torsion beam on front-wheel drive models and a de Dion axle on 4-wheel drive versions. Combined with amplitude, sensitive dampers, and liquid-sealed bushings, the result is a smooth, stable ride. Despite its size, 4.83 metre long, 1.82 metre wide, and 1.69 metre high, The Odyssey handles city streets and highways with surprising agility. The turning radius of 5.4 meters is just about right. Under the bonnet of the shown front-wheel drive Odyssey is a 2,356 cubic centimeters iVTEC engine producing 175 PS, while the absolute trim increases this to 190 PS with direct injection technology. CVT transmission ensures smooth, efficient performance with fuel consumption of around 7.5 litres per 100 kilometres in JC08 mode. In 2015, Honda raised the level of safety with the introduction of the Honda Sensing Suite, with further upgrades to the suite for the 2017 model year. The 2017 model year includes additional features such as pedestrian accident reduction steering, in addition to the previously existing but enhanced collision mitigation braking and adaptive cruise control, plus lane keeping assist. The 2020 HEV goes even further, combining the latest Honda 2 motor hybrid system with world-class safety technology. If you're looking for quality car at great price, visit BEFORWARD.JP. We offer a vast selection of vehicles to suit every taste and budget. You can also send your inquiries to top@beforward.jp.